10th one. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. Here they are given A17th is equal to A10 plus 7. They are asking to find common difference. D is equal to how much? A17 is equal to, we know that A plus 16D is equal to A plus 19 9D plus 7 by using general form of AP. General form of AP. This is A plus 16D minus A minus 9D is equal to 7. This A get cancelled. 7D is equal to 7. D is equal to 7 by 7. D is equal to 1 is the answer. Next. 11th one. Which term of AP 3, 15, 29, 39 and so on will be 132 more than its 54th term? Like this. Here, write down all the term. A here is 3. D is equal to, take any two consecutive terms. 7 minus 3 is equal to 7 minus 3 is 12. And also given AN is equal to 132 plus A 54 and also N, they are asking for N is equal to how much? Now, we know that AN means A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 132. A54 means A plus 53D. Now, A plus N D minus D minus 1 to take all terms to this side, minus 132 minus A minus 53D is equal to 0. Now, A, this A get cancelled. N, D as it is, 53 minus 53 minus D means minus 54D minus 132 is equal to 0. We know that using d is equal to use d is equal to 12 now. N into 12 minus 54 into 12 minus 132 is equal to 0. 12n minus 54 into 12. 54 into 12. 12 4s are 48. Carry 4. 12 5s are 60, 64. 6, 48 minus 6, 48 minus 132 is equal to 0. 648 minus 138. 132 is 12n is equal to 648 plus 132. This is 0, carry 1, 8 plus 2, 10, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 6 plus 1, 7, 780. 780 is equal to 0. 12n is equal to 780. N is equal to 780 by 12. 12 ones are 12. 6 are 72. 78 minus 72. 6 left. It becomes 60. 12 5 are N is equal to 65. Here N is equal to 65. N value is 65 is the answer. Problem. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100 term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000 term? Two APs have same common difference. D is equal to same for two APs. The difference between their 100 term is 100 term is 100. What is their difference between their 1000 term? Difference here also same. That means difference between their 1000 term is simple problem. Difference between their 1000 terms is also 100. Simple. Next, 13th one. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? one not, one not, one not six, 106, 103. Here, 101 is prime number. 102 is divisible by 2. 103 is prime number. 104 is the divisible by 2. 105 divisible by 5. Here, 721, 107. We left 721, 105, 335. This is divisible 5 and 7. This is 105, 105, 105, 105, 112, 112, 119, 126, and so on. They are asking for how many. N is equal to how much. Last number is 999. This is 59, 28. This is not divisible by 7. 998. Is also not divisible by 7. 9997. 28, 1, 9, 9, 6. This is also not divisible by 7. 995, 994. 7 on the 7. 7 4 the 28. It becomes 1, 14. S. Last term is 994. This is divisible by 7. We know that A is 105. B is equal to 112 minus 105. This is 7. N is, we don't know. An is equal to 994. We know that An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. An is 994 is equal to A here 105 plus N as it is minus 1 into D here 7. 994 is equal to 105 plus 7n minus 7. 105 minus 7. 8 carry 1, 998. This becomes 98. 994 is equal to 98 plus 7n. 7n is equal to 994 minus 98 is 994 98. This is 6, carry 1. 19 minus 10 is 9, carry 1, 896. 7n is equal to 896. N is equal to 896 by 7. 7 ones are 7 ones are, it becomes 19. 7 fours are 7 twos are 14. 3 left, at 6, 9, 7. 17 twos are 14. It becomes 19 minus 14 is 5. It becomes 56. 56. No, 7. 7. 8s are 56. This is 128. N is equal to 128. As n ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 128 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next problem. Fourteenth one. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? They are asking 10 and 250. Multiple of 4 after 10 is 12, 12, 16, 20, and so on. 250. Between 250 they are asking. Therefore, 248 is the last term. Here A is equal to 12. D is equal to take any two consecutive terms. 16 minus 12 is 4. D is equal to 4. And N is equal to, we don't know how much we want to find. And AN is equal to 248. We know that AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here AN is 248 and A here 12 plus N minus 1. D here 4. 248 is equal to 12 plus N minus 4N. 4N minus 4. 248 is equal to 12 minus 4 is 8 plus 4n is 248 minus, take this 8 to this side, it becomes minus 8 is equal to 4n. 4n is equal to 240. N is equal to 240 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 6. This becomes 0. N is equal to 60. N is here is 60 is the answer. Next, 15th one. For what value of n are the terms of two APs? 63, 65, 67, and so on, and 3, 10, 17, and so on equal. They are asking these are equal for what value of n? Here find A is equal to 63, B is equal to 65 minus 63 is equal to 2, and an is equal to we don't know a plus n minus 1 into d. N is equal to how much they are asking. An is equal to a 63 plus n as it is minus 1 into d into 2. An is equal to 63 plus 2n minus 2. An is equal to 63 minus 2 plus 2n. This is an is equal to 61 plus 2n. Now this is one value, and also they given another one here, and this value is here. A is 3, D is equal to 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. N don't know, n is equal to how much? An is equal to, call this as equation number 1. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An as it is a 3 plus n as it is, we don't know. D here 7. An is equal to 3 plus 7n minus 7. An is equal to 3 minus 7 means minus 4 plus 7n. Call this as equation number 2. From 1 and 2, 1 and 2, an is equal to 61 plus 2n, and an is equal to minus 4 plus 7n. Change the sign. This becomes positive. This get cancelled. This is 65. 0 is equal to 65 minus 5n. 5n is equal to 65. N is equal to 65 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are. It becomes 15. 5 3 are. N is equal to 13 is the. For n is equal to 13, these values are equal. Two APs are equal. For n is equal to 13, two APs are equal. N is equal to 13 is the answer. 16th one. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Third term given A3 is equal to, given data A3 is equal to 16, and also they given A7 is equal to A5 plus 12. Here, solve this. We know that by using general form of AP, A7 is equal to A plus 6D is equal to A plus 4D. We can write A5 as A plus 4D plus 12 as it is. A plus 6D minus A minus 4D is equal to 12 as it is. This A get cancelled. 6 minus 4 is 2D. 2D is equal to 12. D is equal to 12 by 2. This is D is equal to 6. D is equal to 6. Next. A3 is equal to 6. A3 is equal to 16. They are given. Call this as equation number 1. Call this as equation number 2. From 1, A3 is equal to 16. A plus 2D is equal to 16. A as it is, we don't know. 2 into 6 is equal to 16. A is equal to 16 minus 12. A is equal to 2. A is equal to 4. 16 minus 12 is 4. A is the first term. Difference is 6. Therefore, AP is 4, 10, 16, 22, and so on. This is the AP. Next, 17th one. Find the 20th term from the last term of AP. Find the 20th term from the last term of AP. They are asking 20th term from last, this side. See here, A is equal to 3. D is equal to 8 minus 3. This is 5 and AN 2, 5, 3. We don't know N. Find N here. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN here 253 is equal to A3 plus n minus 1 into 5. 253 is equal to 3 plus 5n minus 5. 253 is equal to C is minus 2 plus 5n. Minus 5 plus 3 means minus 2. C is 5n is equal to 253 plus 2. 5n is equal to 255. N is equal to 255 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 fives are 5 ones are. N here is 51. N value is 51. Therefore, A51 is equal to 253. They are asking here A20 from last side. They are asking here from last side. A is the first term, 253 plus 20 minus 1. Here, common difference D here. From last term, how we find? Just 3 minus 8. First term minus second term. From preceding terms, difference is A2 minus A1. Here, A1 minus A2. Because they are asking from last term, therefore it becomes minus 5 minus 5. This is A20 is equal to 253 plus 19 into minus 5. A20 is equal to 253 minus 95. 253 minus 95. 253 minus 95 is 13 minus 5 is 8, carry 1. 15 minus 10 is 5, carry 1. 158. A20 is equal to 158. 18th one. The sum of 4th and 8th terms of AP is 24 and sum of 6th and 10th term is 44. Find 3 terms of AP. They are asking next 3 terms. They are given A4 plus A8 is equal to 24 and A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. Call this as equation number 1. This is equation number 2. From 1 we can write it as A plus 3D using general form of AP. A plus 7D is equal to 24, and also this can be solve this. 2a plus 10d is equal to 24. Call this as equation number 3, and from 2 from 2 from 2 a plus 5d plus a plus 9d is equal to 44 is 2a plus 14d is equal to 44. Call this as equation number 4. From 4 and equation number 4 and 3, 4 and 3, using 4 and 3 is 2a plus 14d is equal to 44. This is 2a plus 10d is equal to 24. Subtract 3 from 4. This 2a get cancelled. 4d is equal to 20. D is equal to 5. From 3, from 3 or using 3, 2a plus 10d is equal to 24. 2a as it is. 10 into 5 is equal to 24. 2a is equal to 24 minus 50. 2a is equal to minus 26. A is equal to minus 26 by 2. This is minus 13. A is equal to minus 13. Therefore, AP is minus 13 minus 8 minus 3 and so on. They are asking 3 terms. Next, 19th one. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of 5,000 rupees, 5,000, and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach 7,000? Their initial salary is 5,000 and annual increment is 5,200. Increment is 200, therefore 5,200 and so on. He reached 7,000. Then n is equal to how much they are asking here. A is equal to 5,000 and D is equal to 5,200 minus 5,000 taken in 2 consecutive terms. Here this is 200 in rupees. This is also in rupees. This is also in rupees. Now, we know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An given 7,000, a here 5,000 plus n minus 1 and D is 200. 7,000 is equal to 5,000 plus 200 n minus 200 is 7,000, 4,800. 5,000 minus 200 is 4,800 plus 200 n. Next, 200 n is equal to 7,000 minus 4,800. 7,000 minus 4,800 is 002, carry 1. This is 200. 200 n is equal to 2,200. N is equal to 2,200 divided by 200. This 0 cancel. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are. N is equal to 11. In 11th year, his salary is 7,000. This is the right answer. N is equal to 7. N is equal to 11. Next, 20th problem. Ramkali saved 5 rupees in the first week of a year and increased her weekly saving by 1.75 rupees. 1.75 is the rupees 5. If in the nth week her weekly saving becomes 20.75, find n. Okay. Here A is equal to rupees 5, just 5. This is 5, rupees 5. A is equal to 5 and D here given 1.75 because weekly saving increased by 1.75 and they are given AN is equal to rupees 20.75. Here also in rupees. N is equal to, they are asking n is equal to how much? We know that AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here AN given 20.75 is equal to A 5 plus n, we don't know, n minus 1 as D into D here 1.75. Solve. 20.75 is equal to 5 plus 1.75 n minus 1.75. This is 20.75 is equal to 5 minus 1.75 is 3.25. 3.25 plus 1.75 n. 20.75 minus 3.25 is equal to 1.75 n. 20.75 minus 3.25. This is 0, 5, 7, carry 1, 1. 17 point, this is 17.50. 17.50 is equal to 1.75 n. N here 17.50 by 1.75 multiply by 100 divided by 100. This becomes n is equal to 1750 divided by 175. 175 ones are 175 tens are. N here n is equal to 10. This completes your exercise 1.2. If you like the video, hit the like button. Subscribe this channel for more videos.